Hi friends, I'm Cherie in the Wild and I love travel and I love BTS. So if you want to sub, go ahead because I'm going to Vegas day 1 and 2, Busan Festa, not yet the concert, and then also the LA concerts. And I do a bunch of the unboxing. I'll also show my concert bag and my freebies, things like that. So follow along. And so we are going to start the unboxing of the albums. So I got all 7 members because when I became ARMY back in October of 24, a few months later, I went to Hobie's concert and then I decided, you know what? I'm going to get a record player and collect all the albums. Well, I didn't know they were going to have 7 separate albums for each member, plus the other 2, maybe 3 or 4. I think I'm missing 3 of the albums, including the single 7-inch. But today we are going to start with RMs. And so when I unbox, I want to show you everything. So sit back, relax, and let's see what's in our leader's album. I consider myself military era. So like I said, October of 24, and I found BTS because the algorithm on YouTube was like, why don't you watch this reaction video to JK's Standing Next to You? So I started watching that and then I was like, oh my gosh, he is singing with Usher. Who is this Asian man? So I was just so interested in that, the part that, honestly, because I'm Filipino, that an Asian guy was collabing with Usher. And I mean, I'm not like a humongous fan of Usher, but I have great respect for all that he's done in the music industry. And so I was very impressed by that. So I watched that video of him, the music video with him and Usher. And I was like, then I saw some more videos and I was like, oh my gosh, he's the one who did the song, The World Cup. And I watched every single game of the World Cup. I won't be able to this year because I'm actually traveling in June. So anyway, that's the rabbit hole that I went down. And then, of course, watching all the stuff that they have, seeing that RM was the leader, and I had to look that up, like, what did that mean in the K-pop industry? You guys, I wiped this because I thought there was something here, but I guess he has a freckle there. So this is the front, and I love that they're wearing suits. And then I think he has a little earring there. Here's the logo. And I love that the logo is not like a strong red. And I'm loving his hair this whole tour. So anyway, I watched the things about him, seeing what it means to be a leader in a K-pop band, and his excellent English, that he's a genius. He's a songwriter, producer, and all the credits that he has. I just thought, wow, this guy is amazing. Obviously tall and good looking. So when you open it up, oh, it has a poster. Oof. Okay, guys, are you ready? Okay. Nice. I'll put this away so you can just focus on this. So it's a long poster, him sitting on a chair, adjusting his cufflink or button. Okay. Then here's the back. I mean, I don't have enough walls or enough rooms in this house to put all the stuff that they have included in these CDs and albums. So I thought, let me show you guys. Okay. Sorry you can't see all of it, but all right. Oh, there. Can flip it around a little bit. All right. Hi, RM. And it's interesting how he went from rap monster to now RM, Real Me, and I watched his documentary, Right Place, Wrong Person, Right Place. Okay. Okay, so when you pull that out, it's got this little, well, I shouldn't say little, it's the size of the album. So all the lyrics, love it. Okay, lyrics. More lyrics, and that's the back. Okay, so you got these 2 things so far: poster, the lyrics, And I've seen people framing these albums, which is an idea I have. I have a wall over here in my, over there in my, I'm in my home office. I work from home. And I was going to put something on that wall, but now I'm debating if I should put all the albums there. I'm not sure. And I do have a record player. Like I said, I was planning to collect all the albums. I've got 3, Muse, Layover, and Golden. It was like this special on the Target website, I think last Christmas. And so I got them for about $30 each, $33, and then I just picked them up. So his color is silver. Ooh, okay. And yeah, I grew up in the 80s. I'm 55 plus Army. Yeah, shout out to Adult Army. And so I know how a record player works. And it's so funny. I have these friends because my husband mentored someone, and they were over, and I was showing them how. I said, "Do you know how this works?" They're both in their mid-20s, and I was like, they're like, "No," and I said, "Let me show you." So I showed it to them, and they had some questions, and they were just so fascinated by it. I'm not saying all mid-20-year-olds are like that, but I loved that I was able to show that to them. Okay, so this is the back side. Okay, so just credits and then the logo. So I love how they made it very simple, because people are framing it like this with the album cover and the album either horizontal like that or vertical like this. Okay, yeah, that's the album. Maybe you guys want to see my record player. Hold on. I do that, and then this is the back of the album. So every back is a different picture. Oh, and here's, oh, look at that. Here's the, probably his star and where it's located. And I bet you if you put all the others next to it, okay. Yes, this is Jin's. Oh my gosh, guys, look, it connects. See how I told you the pictures are different? This is Jin's. So maybe at the end when I finish Jungkook's, we'll put them all together to show you that. So here's probably Jin's star and what his tattoo looks like, and then the Big Dipper will connect. Also, the back of the sleeve has the track list. Okay, going down the stairs to my living room, show you a little bit of my house. And yeah, here's my piano since I was 9. And here's the record player. I got some old albums that I have from my mom's. Some albums that I've had since like the 80s. And let me show you this. This is funny. Oh, Billy Idol. This is proof that I like boy bands. I was so into Menudo. But we were a similar age. Now I'm the age of BTS's parents. Okay, so see I got Golden, Layover, and Muse. And yes, I love it. I play the album here. Then I just sit over here and relax and enjoy. And this is Zoe. The great thing about this record player too is that it is Bluetooth. Okay, back in my home office. And yes, that's my concert bag. I'll be filming that. It's my daughter's college graduation, so those are the favors. I got a bunch of stuff I need to do. Okay, that was a little side detour, but thought I'd show you the record player. And yes, so watching all those, you know, while they were in the military, I watched a few documentaries, Wings. I watched In the Soup, and In the Soup is where I fell in love with BTS, absolutely. And I just loved everything that RM did, you know, speaking for the group, handling all the press, the interviews, things like that, and all that pressure that was on him, and then watching that live when he got out of the military. I'm so happy for him now. I was concerned during that live or after that live, but seeing him now happy, enjoying himself, and enjoying being with the group, enjoying this tour, I'm just so happy for him. Just want to see him happy. He's done so much. We love you, RM. Thank you for all you do. And I'll see you guys in the next video where I will show you the album for Jin.